Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the May Simply Earth recipe box. Okay, I share this box every month. You guys know the deal. They are a really good, high quality essential oil company. They have this subscription box. It's $45 a month. If you use my code, you get $45 back in like an e-gift card to use on further future purchases. And you also get a huge bonus box which has like carrier oils and coconut oils and little rollers and just different containers and things you'll need. So it's a really good deal just to try it for 1 month because you're basically like getting your money back. Anyways, there are 4 oils and recipes and then things that you need to make the recipe, and I share this box each month, and I'm generally excited for most of them. I'm really excited when it's beauty related, and I just have to warn you guys, this might be my favorite box that I've gotten, and I think I've been a subscriber for like 2 years now. They have a blend in here called BO Be Gone, and it is like I haven't even smelled it yet because I wanted my reaction to be like real and live, but the ingredients or the oils in it are like my favorite. Okay, so anyways, the theme this month is hair care, and I have been using rosemary in my hair consistently for about a month now. I've used it on and off in like different sprays and stuff. The research and studies done on rosemary and hair growth are really, really awesome. I will link that down below. I always do a blog post to go with each video on my YouTube channel just so that I can write things out, do links and more information. So make sure you go look at these studies done on rosemary. But hair and essential oils are something that I really, really love. So I'm going to share, well, first of all, the value of this box is $146.23, and like I said, it's $45. So it's always way more. You always get a way bigger value, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. That's why I love subscription boxes, and it just gives you, like, they're all about education and showing you how to use your essential oils rather than just like, come buy my oils and then that's it. They don't leave you. Okay, so I'll show you the oils first. Rosemary is one of them. That's why I was talking about it. And rosemary is really good in like spa vibe diffuser blends. It's really good for promoting hair growth, like I said, and it's in a lot of different beauty kind of recipes. So this one is from Morocco. It's distilled from the leaves. Rosmarinus officinalis is the Latin name. I have tons of rosemary, but I will open this one. So it's super fresh and invigorating. What does this say? Herbal and woody. I don't think it's, I don't know, it's not woody to me. It's more like invigorating and like medicinal kind of. That's how I would describe it, but it smells really good. It's really good mixed with lavender. That's why this one sounds so good. I'll just share this one next. It's the BO Be Gone. So you generally get 3 single essential oils in a blend. And if you see on your account that you're getting an oil that you already have or that you don't like, you can swap out. So, but this is just what comes standard in the box this month. BO Be Gone is a blend of lavender, orange, patchouli, ylang ylang, and sandalwood. These are almost all of my favorite oils. Blue tansy we're missing, but other than that, this sounds so good. I'm going to give it a little swirl too. I feel like I'm going to diffuse this, use it in every recipe that it calls for. It smells so good. It's such a good balanced blend. It's not like overpowering with one scent or the other. It smells so, so good. Okay, so lavender, orange, patchouli, ylang ylang, and sandalwood. Yeah, this is a new favorite for sure. Next is basil. So this is also distilled from leaves. It's fresh, woody, sweet, and spicy. And I won't try to pronounce the Latin name, but it is basil essential oil. And it's from the US. The rosemary was from Morocco. So basil does not smell good. Ooh, this smells like a stink bug, kind of. Ooh. Okay, it's growing on me. I got a little bit of more of the spicy sweet. But right at first, it was very just like in the woods, like kind of like a dirt, like a bug kind of smell. I'm interested to see what we're gonna use it in. Dark patchouli is next. Patchouli I use a lot. So okay, so I already have dark patchouli, so I'm not gonna open this one. I'm gonna put it in my giveaway pile. But patchouli is very, like, you either love it or hate it. It's very like earthy floral. What is this? Earthy and fruity. It's like, I think someone said like it's burnt, like burning leaves. I've heard that before. It is, I don't know, it's just like the hippie floral oil of the 70s. So this is dark patchouli. This is from Indonesia. Ooh, my topper came out. It's from the leaves, and this is Pagastimum cablan. That's the Latin name. One of the things I love about Simply Earth is they have their Simply Pure Promise. So they have their batch number on there. Their quality is really good. Their testing is good, and their oils are really affordable, and that's what I think is so important to a lot of people, and that's why they opt out of going with the more popular brands, just because they're so expensive and you can't sustain that. Like, you can't continuously buy them for what you need them for at the prices. So anyways, I love that about them. 6 recipes. The first one is simple scalp scrub. This is super important. Scalp care is just as important as hair care. That's like where it starts, right? So you want to make sure you have a healthy scalp. This is rosemary, patchouli, the blend, B.O.B. gone, and then 1 tablespoon of shampoo and 1 teaspoon of sugar. So you mix it all together and then use it as a scalp scrub. Greener Pastures roll-on is next. So in your big bonus box you will get, with your first order or your first box, you'll get rollers and coconut oil that you will need to make each roller. So each month you get a recipe to make your own roller. And then also a diffuser blend. So you're basically, for the diffuser blend, you're using an empty bottle just like this. But empty, it'll come in your big bonus. And then you put, so for this one it's 20 drops patchouli, 20 drops rosemary, and 60 drops of the blend. And you're making your own blend. So it's kind of just, it gives you practice too in like blending oils and making DIYs, which I really love. And then they also give you the labels for when you're making things too. So the roll-on label is right here. The blend, you'll label your bottle right there with that one. Okay, the next recipe is sunflower heat protector spray. This is really cool. I've never seen any kind of DIY heat protector. So you're using sunflower seed oil, which they give you this month, 2 drops of rosemary, and then 1 ounce spray bottle, and 1.5 tablespoons of water. So you add the oil and essential oil to the spray bottle, shake to mix, and then fill the rest of the way with water. Then to use, you shake and spray on damp hair. Dry your hair before using heat tools. Do not use with temperatures of 425 or higher, which you should never be using that high heat of anyway. Okay, silky soft hair mask. This is going to be emulsifying wax. Did they give you that? Which is here in your box. The sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, which comes in your big bonus, patchouli, rosemary, the blend, basil, and then a preservative, which is optional. But I've gotten that in a previous box, so I do have some of that on hand. And then you'll need some water. What is this? Oh yeah, and this cetyl alcohol, which they also give you. So this adds thickness, silkiness, and glide to your creations. Okay, so you're just kind of melting that and blending that all together. Hair masks are really good. Like a deep conditioner hair mask is really good, like once every 2 weeks. Once a week or once every 2 weeks. Restorative hair balm is next. So you're using a solid coconut oil that comes in your big bonus box, sunflower oil, cetyl alcohol, emulsifying wax, beeswax, and then the oils. You're kind of making like a waxy balm to put on the ends of your hair. I feel like that might be good for, maybe without the coconut oil, would be good for like a hair gel too. I don't know, you can kind of try and play around with that, but it's kind of the fun in all this, right? You're trying trial and error, seeing what works for you. So that is it for the May box. I'm really excited. Hair, I'm like on this journey to grow my hair as long as it used to be, like down to my waist here. And it's growing really fast. I'm doing a lot of different things, but rosemary is a big part of that. And I just add it to my shampoo, and then I have a leave-in spray that I use after the shower. But I'm excited to incorporate these things too. The scalp scrub, that's really important too when like trying to grow your hair and get the healthiest hair possible. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. My link and code will be down below. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I missed. You also get access to an essential oils hero course, which is kind of like an intro to essential oils, so kind of teaches you the basics of use and safety, which is really cool. And that's like a really, does it say on here? It's an expensive, that's like a $200 or $300 value that you get for free also when you subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you're most excited about this month. I hope you have a great day. Bye.